Hey, what's going on, guys? It is Daniel. I know it's been a minute since I've done a video, but I was asked by a few people to start doing videos again. So that's kind of what I'm here to do, just to help out and let you guys kind of see my thought process. If you want me to add a live portion to this video, so like if you want me to screen cap my trades live and then kind of like put those into these videos as well, I can definitely do that. You just have to let me know because I'm not going to just do it for no reason. If I can just explain the trades, but if you guys want to actually see like the live tape, because I record my screen every day, so I can rewatch tape and kind of see what was going on at the time with these breakouts and stuff, so I can better identify moves on the level 2 and time and sales the next time I'm trading that stock. So again, just let me know. Today was a pretty good day. Day 7 now, green in a row. So seven green days, which is pretty sick. Over 7 days, my account equity is up around 45%, I believe, 43 to 45% of what I had at the start of this green streak. Today, I'm up 10.7%, so almost 11% on my account equity. Just trading today, and today was kind of slow for me. To be honest, I woke up a little late. I didn't get to the market until like, I don't know, 10 minutes after the open, so wasn't super focused in yet, but still managed to make 2 green trades. Tesla I took away about 25% gain, and then Disney I took around 22-23% gain on that. So we'll kind of show you those here now. So we'll start off with Tesla because that's what I started the day off with. I took 2 entries on this thing, so Tesla was super strong yesterday. I was expecting a continuation because if we look at the charts, we know we have a ton of room up to 370. This thing is just squeezing, dude. And like so many people are trying to hop short on this early, and you're getting these epic pushes. Like if you look at these candles, right? Like people came in shorted under these lows, squeezed all the way up, right? And then people thought, okay, we're failing here, shorted under here. And then what happened here? Another huge push. Like it's disgusting, bro. So I kind of came to the market around this time. I was trying to look for a dip buy opportunity on Tesla to pick up some kind of out of the money calls. What I saw was, so if we look at this kind of supply here, I was around 345.60 or so. You can see that the stocks actually were holding that level for a minute, right? So they were kind of sitting around there, broke down. But as soon as it broke down, we didn't get a continuation. Instead, we got a huge reversal and a big green candle. So for that, my strategy is usually to buy half a position over this big green candle, right? Because this is 10 minutes of downward movement that was just eliminated in a strong 2-minute candle. So I bought a half my position up here, and then I waited for a pullback to buy my other half of my position, which I ended up buying, I think, down here in this 345.80. And then once we got a push up into 347, I took a couple contracts off. Didn't like this move much. I actually had a stop set down here around 345.60s. So very lucky it didn't get triggered. But turned around, confirmed that 347 level, which I had been looking at here, that 347.50, 347.40, and then made its move all the way to 349. So I got out the last of my contracts up here. I think, let's see, I sold the last of my contracts at what time? Just so I know I'm giving you guys the facts at 15:12. Yeah, so I sold them on this candle here, right just into that 349. So pretty good trade. Just not super happy with how long it took. I took calls that I think were probably, in retrospect, they're way too far out of the money. I had the 157.50 calls. I should have just come in a bit closer because the theta, like I think I was down here, and then I ended up being down more when it was up here than I was when it was down here. Do you know what I mean? So that was definitely something to pay attention to in terms of that theta decay, because like sometimes you just get the wrong contract and it just shits itself on you. So obviously, good reminder coming in at the end of this green streak to I still need to make smart decisions. I don't need to be chasing percent gains on these super far out of the money contracts. I just need to be making smart decisions on the contracts I trade. So, but anyway, fine trade. Good entry there. I wish I could have kind of gotten in a bit closer down here, but it is what it is. So that's Tesla, and then Disney. Disney came out with news, as you can see on this crazy lunatic candle here. Something about their new streaming service is just so successful that they crashed the website. So I was like, okay, that's pretty interesting. So through this 138.40 here, right? That's kind of like the level. Maybe you can see that 138.56 be a bit more of the level. But either way, once I heard this news, I ended up buying in around this 138.50, 138.60. I got calls, ditched half into 139, held through the first pullback, and then when it came back up and failed to break out, kind of, make that continuation immediately, I set a stop underneath here just to get out the rest of those, and I got stopped out, which is fine. I had the 141s, so much better choice. And I took 20% home on those. So, yeah, that's basically it. Any questions, feel free to ask. I will try and make sure I get to the market on time tomorrow, so I can take full advantage of some of these moves. And, yeah, man, so that's basically it. Have a great rest of your day. Make sure you guys are trading safe. This market is kind of nuts, super choppy, super volatile, super aggressive. So just kind of make sure that you guys are always paying yourself right away on these trades, because when they turn around and they go against you, man, they can get really ugly really quickly. So make sure that we're taking money off the table all the time. All right, guys, this has been a blast. Good chatting with you. And again, if you want me to do any live video stuff, just ask. All right.